like and subscribe.
Welcome to the farm where the sun shines bright and the animals roam free. Today, we're going to learn all about farms and the animals that live here. A farm is a special place where people grow food, take care of animals, and work together to make delicious and nutritious meals. It's time to learn all about the animals that live on the farm. Let's explore together. This is the cow. She gives us delicious milk. Can you say moo like the cow? This is the pig. He loves rolling in the mud to keep cool. Oink, oink. Here are the chickens. They lay yummy eggs for us to eat. Can you cluck like a chicken? Quack, quack. This is the duck. She loves swimming in the pond and finding tasty treats. This is the sheep and her woolly friends. They give us soft wool for making clothes. This is the goat. He's always exploring and finding new things to nibble on. Early in the morning, the farmer starts his chores. He feeds the animals, milks the cows, and gathers eggs from the chickens. It's feeding time. The animals gather around to eat their breakfast. They munch on hay, grains, and fresh vegetables. Next, it's time to milk the cow. The farmer sits next to Daisy and carefully squeezes her udders to fill up the bucket with milk. Now, let's gather some eggs. The farmer checks the nesting boxes in the chicken coop and collects the eggs laid by the hens. The sheep needs a haircut. The farmer gently shears off her woolly coat to keep her cool and comfortable.
The farmer also tends to the garden. He waters the plants and pulls out any weeds to help them grow big and strong.
Oops, looks like the fence needs fixing. The farmer grabs his tools and gets to work, with the goat offering his helpful supervision. Time for an egg hunt. Let's search for hidden eggs in the chicken coop, while the chickens cluck and peck around. What a busy day on the farm. As the sun sets, the animals settle down for the night, ready to rest and recharge for another day of fun on the farm. Thanks for joining us on our farm adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.
Kids TV, like and subscribe.